Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. Welcome to my tiling trade tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean outdoor patio slabs or tiles. These particular ones are porcelain, but the products I'm going to be using are for a variety of different materials. One product is the black spot and algae remover. You can safely say there's plenty of black spots and algae on this surface, as well as some grimex. This is heavy duty grime remover. We've also got rust stain remover. Now this is ideal if you've got some metal garden furniture and you've left it in the same position for a long time and you've got that orange rusty stain on the surfaces. We have about 60 square meters here of porcelain tiles. These were laid over 2 years ago. Now they're a lot cleaner at the top end there as opposed to the bottom end. And the reason behind that is we've got 2 or 3 large trees with the canopies coming right the way over. So of course a lot of sap and things are going to be falling from them, making that end a lot stickier and grimier. Start by clearing off all dust and loose debris from the surface and clear away any furniture so you've got a clean run at the area. This is a 5-litre tub and will clean around 25 square meters, so I'll be using 3 tubs for this area. It's applied on neat using a plastic watering can. You can even use a light pressure garden sprayer. It removes black spots, algae, moss and stains from all types of patio paving, including natural stone, concrete and porcelain slabs and tiles like these. Do be sure to do a small test spot on the surface before you apply it to the whole area. Leave this to absorb in for 2 to 4 hours and it doesn't really need any scrubbing. I'm just spreading it around the whole area with a stiff yard brush to make sure it's covered evenly. It can be done in damp conditions, but it's more effective the drier the surface is. Always remember safety first. Read the packaging for the correct PPE. I'm wearing suitable gloves, face mask and glasses. If the product touches your skin or eyes, rinse off immediately. Now it's advisable to apply LTP porcelain tile protector when first installing your tiles in order to ease regular cleaning. For external areas, application after grouting will assist the removal of all types of dried organic matter as and when it occurs.
Now this was supposed to be on here for about 2 to 4 hours and then hosed off and mopped down. As you can see, the heavens have opened and it's only been on about 15 minutes, but my word, it's actually blown me away at how clean it is. It's a real big difference. There are still a few little marks here and there, but I'll get the more concentrated grime floor cleaner on them, taking these bits off. But my word, this is a transformation.
Although the heavy rain has taken most of this off, it's advisable to rinse the area well with a hose pipe and clean water before allowing any pets or children near the area. Once dried, the transformation is amazing. It's totally revitalised the patio area ready for the summer. If you're looking for more how-to videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Or if you want to know more about the vast range of products that Tile Mountain stock, just check out their website, tilemountain.co.uk.